Welcome to our comparison video, where we delve into two popular graphics cards, the XFX RX 580 GTS XXX Edition and the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 V2. Today, we'll analyze their specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The XFX RX 580 is priced at $129, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers looking to enjoy 1080p gaming without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 comes in at $299, reflecting its advanced features and performance capabilities. While the RX 580 is great for those on a tight budget, the RTX 3060 offers more power and future-proofing for a higher price. In terms of performance, the XFX RX 580 is capable of handling most games at 1080p settings, but it may struggle with newer titles at higher resolutions. On the other hand, the ASUS RTX 3060 shines with its 12GB of GDDR6 memory and support for ray tracing and DLSS, providing a significant performance boost for both 1080p and 1440p gaming. This makes the RTX 3060 a more future-proof choice for gamers seeking high-quality visuals and smoother gameplay. The XFX RX 580 offers basic features suitable for casual gaming, including VR readiness and decent cooling. However, the ASUS RTX 3060 comes equipped with advanced features like NVIDIA's ray tracing technology, DLSS for enhanced performance, and a superior cooling system with Axial Tech fan design. These features not only improve gaming performance, but also enhance the overall gaming experience, making the RTX 3060 a more attractive option for serious gamers. In conclusion, both the XFX RX 580 and the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 580 is a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the RTX 3060 offers superior performance and features for those willing to invest more. Consider your gaming needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.